Good evening, guys. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So today, quickly, we are going to have a look on Bank Nifty's chart. This is Bank Nifty's daily chart and spot. So, in my observation, I have mentioned that in the past, this is the A1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elite wave pattern, and after which recently, in my view, in my opinion, Bank Nifty completed retracement of wave C, which I have marked in this area. And the comment which I have mentioned along with that is that wave C 100% retracement along with 200 EMA support and reversal thereafter tells us that for short term to medium term this could be a bottom. So if you can see the wave C 100% projection as well as 200 EMA support, and you see the market tried going below the 200 EMA, but continuously it made a shadows over there, and with the help of projection A and C and wave B, we can see a symmetrical triangle pattern also. Correct. So this is what has happened in the market so far. Now from here after, for coming week, um, market has reversed from the projection of wave C and 200 DMA confluence of that support, and it has pulled back very nicely. I have mentioned in one of my tweets also based on the time cycle that from 30th of Jan there is a new time cycle which is starting for Bank Nifty. So this thing, let me show you where I have mentioned it. Yeah. So on 27th of Jan, I have tweeted that a Bank Nifty time cycle starting from 30th Jan and strong reversal expected. So if we all see that from 30th, it made a bottom of around 39,419, and from there almost it pulled back to almost 2,000 points. I'm not calculating this. 2,000 points it almost uh, pulled back from there. Now for coming week, Bank Nifty is in a very interesting position. The resistance, uh, the confluence of resistance ahead in front of the Bank Nifty is this support and resistance band, this area. So this area was make or break for Bank Nifty, because we all know that the Bank Nifty was consolidating over here, and it tried to break the this trend line, but it couldn't. It tested the same area over here. The third time it tested, and it fell. And once it broke this particular consolidation of support, it broke with a very high momentum. So there was a Adani event also attached to it. So the momentum was very high. Now, based on the time cycle and 200 EMA and the wave C, the Bank Nifty again came back to the same area where it gained the momentum and it broke down. Now here you can see there is a cloud which is interrupting for the breakout. This is 20 EMA, which I have shown in this color. So this is 20 exponential moving average. Plus, if you see, there's a support and resistance band, and I have calculated projection of wave C with the help of trend-based Fibonacci extension. So if you see, this area is also coming to 50% of the entire wave swing. Correct. So 50%, is always important. Once it moves above the 50%, then it continues with the new trajectory and new projection. So if at all Bank Nifty in the coming week successfully able to break the cloud, the 20 EMA, and this support and resistance, then it will make a very aggressive, impulsive wave three, right? Very impulsive wave three, and probably it may create a wave for this one end with wave three over here. It may create a wave 4 like this, and then again we may see a impulsive wave 5 which will breach this area and make a new highs in the market. So this coming move is very important, because Nifty, Bank Nifty has came to an area where it is a make or break, right? Either it does a time pass over here, consolidate, takes a resistance, and it may do some time pass. But based on the moon cycle also, on 5th of Feb, there is, I think, full moon. So full moon are also known to create the bottoms in the market, and there is a until the next time cycle starts. I'm not showing that moon cycle and time cycle thing here right now, but just to add on the thing, it adds to the that it makes a good support and bottom in the market, and then until the next time cycle starts, so there is no top is formed. So if you consider that also, very few people understand the moon cycle and time cycle, but still if you consider the moon cycle also, and based on the price action, if Nifty is able to break this area, so if it breaks the support and resistance, cloud 20 EMA, right? So there could be a very, very aggressive impulsive move. And if it also breaks the symmetrical triangle, because as you see, three times it took the resistance from the same trend line of the symmetrical triangle. So if this time it breaks the 20 EMA, goes here, retrace, come back, test, and if it breaks this area, a very strong wave 3 will form. So it's a very, very important move. So especially for option buyers, you can have a very good view. You can buy some out of the money, a low risk strike price premium based on your risk appetite. And if it works, then if it breaks all this area as mentioned, 20 EMA, cloud, symmetrical triangle, support and resistance band, all those things, then it will have a very, very strong wave 3, which again could be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 points, right? So it's a very interesting position for the bank nifty right now. If it breaks out, nothing like it. If it rejects from the same trajectory, then I think rather than breaking, I would not say it will breach this area, but it will have a good consolidation in this gap available, the space available in the pattern. You can say it's like a ascending triangle types, like ascending triangle types. So it may spend some time over here. So keep a watch on these areas. And just to tell you the levels of this on the spot chart, so it is like 41,627, and the upside is 41,800. So if it breaks out 41,800, along with all this things which I've told you, like support and resistance band, 20 MA, cloud symmetrical triangle, and all that, and the 50% also, 50% of this area, so then it will have a very, very strong impulsive wave, which could make a new life high in the new highs in the market for bank nifty. So keep a watch, take a screenshot, draw it in your systems, keep it safe, and keep observing it every day, right? Any closing above this area on a daily basis will have a very, very good gap up on the next day. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.